看几年了哦，卖摊哦，20万哦。我哦，上这往开始收。
Puna hian, helai puna hian, kan pun khom na chan hi boy na siam tura bo khami zo khani lova. Zani na hian governor office kal tangin Congress Party MPCC chuan Prime Minister of India nena governor kal tangin lekha thelu tura lopung khom kan nia. Kan siat chewangin India rama zirlai te protest na satakin athing meka he protest om na chaning wange kan ti chuan paper leak ni paper leak te medical entrance paper leak CBSE scam kan ti tele zirlai te mga em inanom meka heng scam na sataka wang hian zirlai tam takin an mani num na te an la hiala Rahul Gandhian India ramun sanga zirlai te muin India sarkar lai pui accountability nei turle ama sabera education minister he scam na satak zirlai ten antona kai kuang hi bang tura nor me kania chutiang bokin heng need paper scam kan ti dele scam o make hi parliament a discussion in emutin demand an nei me kani le jantar mantar ate student protest o make nimin lama zirlai poisa lo poisa lo tam tak andu lo lan tir pumkhom police force dem hai sakania vuak tuarin ni tam tak nena ni tam tak laka FIR thelu me kani chumi dulo chuan Rahul Gandhi leader of opposition tele AICC president kum Malik Arjun Kharge ten voina prime minister office an demand te soipui turin procession an neya amaro chuan ni po leader of opposition neu le India rama opposition party lian per president te po police in lo detaining Suisa kanitani thalak te aron dang zela nga Rahul Gandhi te po anar kha athi seng sunga police in bobetin dikhan ngai sakani chusukan dulo ema chuwangin zanin ahian MPCC president zaom ta pulal thanzaran sainin Congress party chukan dulo na le heng kan demand te zirlai te tan kan demand te zirlai te tan parliament ta Ika aniya the kan lekha kan thelu tur hi kan senior vice president zaom tak punun mo chongoin minon chia chuasak in ron soifia se chumi tan chon somila thange
lehi zanina Raj Bhavan kota kan pumkhoma hi All India Congress Committee kan President Bu Kharge le Leader of Opposition pu Rahul Gandhi ate Delhi ya tuna zirlai te thafang hawin le zirlai te ma khuangain Central Sarkar in ati lawavangin an normeka chumi kan support na India rama zirlai te future an makwa kan ngayavangin India rama state zonga zanina hian Ras Bhavan kota helaya kan punkhom ang hian pungkhomin Prime Minister za omtak pu Narendra Modi nena memorandum an thelu pek dona ni chutiam chuan keini Mizoram Pradesh Congress Committee te point zanina helaya pungkhomin Governor za omtak nena kaltangin Prime Minister of India nena memorandum hi kan thelu dona ni chuta chuan pu Rahul Gandhi at le AICC ya kan ho tu ten Delhi ya Central Sarkar an normek na kan tropa din India ramazirlai te makwa dan nuaya anchan vote veng him zolo le chutiam turzonga maladu lo Central Sarkar ikandema chuwangin hemi atana ma latutur mo purna lamas sa perturchu Union Education Minister pu Dharmendra Pradhan ania chuwangin banghal turin kangena tin hemi exam zirlai ten exam che frang exam na thil diklo le fellow na salutu ka omchung po Central Sarkar in ati du lawavangin parlamenta heng chung chang te hi soi ho na om ngei ro se ti hi kan ngiat boka tin apathum na chuan nimina Delhi ya zirlai ten anchan vo bo chiatani na tele an makwa ra bea omavanga an dulo na lantir na police ten an hai sakna le an laka FIR te an the luka no kirmal ni rose ti hi zan ina Prime Minister nena Governor za omtak kaltlangin kan President za omtak pu lalthanzara signature in kanton dona ni chuchu helaya kanron kalkom sana ni chuan malak na omzenia Sarkarin ma Central Sarkarin ma alalawani chuan kan kalzel dona ni kan thalai te kan zirlai te ma kwangayin le an future an hun local zel turatana an chanvo hum himsak ani na turatan ma kan la zel don ani Indian National Congress chu kan zirlai te kan thalai te tan kan ding zel don ani te zani na yan kan puang bokani
Leader of Opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi MP, staged a protest in front of the dumb and deaf Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, for brutally assaulting the students' protest yesterday. I want to speak to the police here as well as to the police in Delhi. Don't you have children? Aren't they not studying in schools and colleges? Will you beat them? We are talking for your children also. Don't stop us. We are talking for your future. We are talking for your family. Don't beat us. Our leader of opposition spoke for the students of the country, students of India, the future of India, and he was brutally assaulted. Our General Secretary organization, Sri K.C. Venugopal, who was pushed down, our MPs were pushed down. We were talking for the people. What is there for Dharmendra Pradhan to resign? We want Dharmendra Pradhan to resign. Why is Amit Shah ordering to hit the people? Do you have conscience? If you are a policeman in Delhi, would you have beaten down the students? Is the governor listening or sleeping in your comfort? Honorable, respectable Governor V.K. Singh, are you listening? Don't you have children? Don't you have grandchildren? Aren't they not studying? If you are so wealthy, they will be studying in big schools. But the normal people of India, students, they write the entrance examination. And that papers were leaked. Their futures were leaked. They were brutally beaten up. Our leader was beaten up. We want the Mizoram Pradesh Congress President's petition to be personally received by the Lieutenant General, respected Governor of Mizoram. Tulove.
Oleh, kanlu dono nga mase, boy khatal kan awruala. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan bang rose kanti donya. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan bang rose. Union Education Minister bang rose. Union Education Minister bang rose. Hello.
Hello.
Zain hun zai to ta ka. Eng baging nge governor ne na yan memorandum thelo ngai ti kan ngai kon se na pwe mo. India rama ni exam bagin mitam taten har sana to ka. Union Minister Education Minister Wenya yan bang turin India ram pumpu annor me kani. Henit exam paper liga bang yan mi som ni zongin nuna chang to. Wenya he kan chalai tam taten exam ve me het yang tildik lo ami kan turo bagin zaya yan ruasur noya kan protest governor nena memorandum kan thelu ani so kan memorandum thelu chu haran thang pera delita min thon thak sak po ano intiama bagin governor ke staff te chu apolom thu kan senga na zaya yan hu tam tak kan nei to lo a mai ro chu Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan nena yan kan duro thui kan lan ti re the turin kan au rual apoi moi ya so bang son sai na lo ka song song te Union Education Minister Bang Rossetti kan au rata an ko ni hian kan chang le lok ani chu Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan Bang Rossetti Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan Bang Rossetti Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan Bang Rossetti Zanya lo kan zong te kun sep takara hetizat kan kal khoma bagin Congress headquarters begin long to kan se ko kan ye